How to move photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. At the very top, you're gonna find your Apple ID. Click on that. Click on the option iCloud. Check how much space your photos are using. This is important. You'll need enough space on your iPhone to download all of them. Next, head back. Navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. Make sure your iPhone has enough free space to hold all the photos and videos you plan to download. Once we have confirmed you have enough space, go back to iCloud and this time tap on Photos. Here, select Download and Keep Originals. This will begin downloading all full resolution photos and videos directly to your iPhone, while still keeping copies in iCloud. If you want to remove the photos from iCloud and store them only on your phone, toggle off Sync this iPhone at the top. When prompted, tap Download Photos and Videos. This ensures everything is downloaded before iCloud removes them. And that's it. You have now moved your photos from iCloud to your iPhone's local storage. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.